Okay, so yes, we were discussing C3 cycle. Okay, so in this, the starting was with RUBP, which is 5 carbon containing compound, which is ribulose bisphosphate. Okay, that's so common, that's so simple. Then here we have CO2, like in the stroma, this is the stroma. How this complete process would be started if the cell, okay, wait, let me make it for cell. In this we will find chloroplast. This is the chloroplast. In this chloroplast, this is chloroplast now. Here you will find one structure which is thylakoid, and the complete structure embedded, like the complete structure is known as grana or granum. And here material or the matrix is stroma. So we've taken only the one thylakoid which is here, or one chloroplast, simple one chloroplast. So this is the chloroplast we have taken. Okay, so we have RUBP, which is 5 carbon containing compound, ribulose bisphosphate. Then we have CO2. So this already have 5 carbon. If what this one carbon would be given for the addition, just because 5 is an unstable product, not unstable, but because of the stroma they found one more carbon, because here you also found H2O. To make that stable, this carbon would be given to this 5, so together this would be 6 carbon. And here we have one phosphate, here you also found one phosphate, together we have 2 phosphate and 6 carbon. And here 6 carbon is an unstable product, whereas that's why the cycle is known as C3 cycle, because the first and the not final but the first product which is stable, and that is 3 carbon, so that's why we just give the name C3 cycle. Okay, otherwise we always say that the first product was 3 carbon, that's why that was stable, but before that you also found 6 carbon, that was not stable, that's why we do not consider that. But yes, this is 6 carbon phosphate, which would divide into 3 carbon, and give 2 phosphate, one would be given to this one would be given, and this would be the like stable form, stable. Okay, then you will find PGA, which is phosphoglyceric acid. Phosphoglyceric acid, you will find 3 phosphoglyceric acid here. Okay, then this would be given to ATP. ATP would be used. So here you have 3 carbon 3. Here they use PGA. PGA is phosphoglyceric acid, and they found 2 more phosphate, which is P3CP, and here you will find P3CP. In this you will find NADPH. NADPH. Here you find 2 NADPH. So together we just say we have 3, not 3 but the 2 NADPH. That is biphosphate classic acid. Bi simply means 2. So we found 2 NADPH, and then we have PGAL, which is phosphoglyceric aldehyde, because when you convert this alcohol into, like when you will do oxidation, this is oxidation, so that process will be aldehyde, that will be CHO. Then if we will do again oxidation, that you will find acid, so that's why we just found aldehyde here. Then if you make it a reduction process, this acid would convert into aldehyde, then this aldehyde would convert into alcohol, same. But yes, here we're discussing only that. So here you will find 2 group or 2 ATP in that. So we have 3 phosphate here, which is the 3 phosphate, and this 2 would be here, one here, and like one would be given out for what? For glucose formation. For glucose formation, one would be given back, and the one which is remaining would, not one but the 2 was remaining. As we have 3 phosphate, 2 are here, one would be gone back, so the 2 would be gone into the same process to the RUBP, and yes, that process is regeneration. So here you find that first process was carboxylation, then we have reduction, then we have regeneration, reduction ATP plus NADPH,